Hello everybody. Today I will discuss about the second chapter of class 9 chemistry, that is chemical change and reaction. In this chapter we will discuss about chemical change, chemical reaction, condition necessary for a chemical change, characteristics of a chemical change and different types of chemical reaction. So let's start one by one. Chemical change. A chemical change is a permanent change in which the chemical composition of a substance is changed and one or more new substances with defined chemical composition and defined properties are formed, like burning of paper, curding of milk, etc. Now, chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is the process of breaking the chemical bond of the reactants and making new bond from products. Just like hydrogen when react with chlorine to form HCl. So first these are the reactant and this is the product. Now let's start. Conditions necessary for a chemical change. Some chemical reaction occur when they are in close contact. This means or mixing. When lead nitrate react with potassium iodide, both are white. Then potassium nitrate and lead iodide is formed, which color is yellow. Another example, when aqueous solution of sodium chloride and aqueous solution of silver nitrate react with each other, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed with NaNO3. Then heat. Some chemical reaction occur on heating. Copper carbonate decomposes on heating to copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Another example, lead nitrate on heating decomposes to lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, this color is brown gas, and oxygen colorless. Another, number 3, light. Some chemical reaction occur in presence of light. Its simple example is photosynthesis. Plants make glucose from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light from glucose. Next, electricity. Some chemical reaction occur when electricity is passed through the substance. Acidified water. When electricity is passed through acidified water, then hydrogen and oxygen is produced. Number 5, catalyst. Some chemical reaction occur in presence of catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of chemical reaction. This means either decreases or increases, but itself cannot change. For example, potassium chlorate decomposes to potassium chloride and oxygen in presence of a catalyst MnO2. Now, characteristics of chemical reaction. Now I will discuss about characteristics of chemical reaction. In some chemical reaction, gas is evolved. When zinc react with dilute H2SO4, then hydrogen gas is evolved. Next, in some chemical reaction, color is changed. A piece of iron nail, when dropped into blue color copper sulfate solution, then the color of the solution becomes fade and turns into green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate and brown copper is formed. Next, formation of precipitate. In some chemical reaction, precipitate is formed when aqueous sodium chloride react with aqueous silver nitrate, white color silver chloride is formed with NaNO3. In some chemical reaction, state is changed. When gaseous NH3 react with gaseous HCl, then solid NH4Cl is formed. Now we are going to know about types of chemical reaction. First, direct combination or synthesis reaction. A chemical reaction when two substances combine with each other and form a new substance. This is known as direct combination or synthesis reaction. It's A plus B equals to AB. When carbon burns in oxygen, then carbon dioxide gas is produced. Another example, when iron react with sulfur to form iron 2 sulfide. Another example, ammonia gas when react with HCl gas, then solid ammonium chloride is formed. Number 2, decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? A chemical reaction when a compound decomposes or split into two or more other simpler substances. This is known as decomposition reaction. Since AgCl, this is silver chloride, in presence of sunlight produces silver and chlorine gas. The color of silver is silver gray and chlorine gas is greenish chlorine gas. As it is occur in presence of sunlight, this reaction is known as photochemical decomposition. Another example, when electricity is passed through acidified water, then hydrogen and oxygen gas is produced. As this reaction occurs due to electricity, this is known as electrochemical decomposition. Number 3, calcium carbonate on heating produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. As it is occurred due to heat, it is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Number 3, displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive element from their respective salt solution. This is known as displacement reaction. For displacement reaction, we should know the metal activity series. See the metal activity series. The metal above hydrogen can display hydrogen, but the metal below hydrogen cannot display hydrogen. See example, when zinc react with H2SO4, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. When magnesium react with HCl, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is formed. As zinc and magnesium both are placed above hydrogen, so they display hydrogen from HCl. But when copper react with HCl, there is no reaction as copper is placed below hydrogen. Number 4, double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? A chemical reaction in which when two compounds react with each other and form new two compound with exchange of radicals. This is known as double displacement reaction. It is two types, precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. A chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed, this is known as precipitation reaction. When NaCl, aqueous NaCl react with aqueous silver nitrate, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. Next, neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid react with base and form salt and water, this is known as neutralization reaction. See, NaOH is a base and HCl is an acid. When they react with each other, NaCl is a salt and water is formed. So, it is neutralization reaction. Number 5, endothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. This is known as endothermic reaction. When nitrogen and oxygen mix with each other at a high temperature, means 3000 degrees centigrade, then nitric oxide is formed. Another example, calcium carbonate decomposes on heating to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Number 6. Exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is evolved. This is known as exothermic reaction. When carbon burns in oxygen, then carbon dioxide gas is produced with lots of heat. Another example, when water is added to quicklime, then lots of heat is produced in this reaction. So these are exothermic reaction. Now, oxidation reaction. A chemical reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. This is known as oxidation reaction. See the example. Magnesium added with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. In this case, oxygen is added. So oxidation. Now second, H2S when react with chlorine, then HCl plus sulfur is formed. In this case, hydrogen is removed from sulfur, H2S. So it is also oxidation reaction. Next, reduction reaction. A chemical reaction in which hydrogen is added or oxygen is removed. This is known as reduction reaction. It is just opposite of oxidation reaction. See the example. H2 plus Cl2. This means hydrogen is added with chlorine. So HCl is formed. And second example, CuO plus H2. Cu plus H2O. In this case, oxygen is removed from CuO. So they are reduction reaction. Next, redox reaction. When oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, this is known as redox reaction. See the example. CuO plus H2. Cu plus H2O. See, from CuO, oxygen is removed. So in this case, reduction takes place. And here, hydrogen added with oxygen to form water. So oxidation takes place. The substance here, the substance oxidized is hydrogen and the substance reduced is copper oxide. So oxidizing agent is CuO and reducing agent is H2. This is all about the chapter. Thank you.